demonstrating how to perform a lung cancer prediction using the RapidMiner AI Studio. So first I will have to retrieve the data which is present locally in my system. So to retrieve the data, I will have to go to the search for operators bar, search on the retrieve thing, then drag it and drop it over here, then click on this, go to the local repository data. So this is the data set which I have stored locally in my system. So I'll be retrieving this. Yes, so it's done. After retrieving the system, to view the retrieved data, we can just form a connection between these two things, and then if I run this, right, so this is my data. So to move on to the next part, I will be splitting my data into training as well as the testing part. Oh, sorry. So before that, we will be setting the rules of my features. Okay. So to set the rules, I'll search for set rules tab, drag it and drop it over here, create a connection between these two things. Then I'll be setting my rule. So the attribute name which I'll be predicting is the level attribute. So, and then my target role will be label. Then apply, so it's done. So next I'll be splitting the data. To split the data, once again do the same thing. Create a connection between these two, split the data. So add entry, a couple of them. So 0.7% of my data would be used for training, and then 0.3% would be used for testing. Right. So now I will be importing my model which is a decision tree model. So why I'll be using this decision tree is because decision tree is one of a very good ML model used for prediction analysis. So import it. I'll be this one, right? So next I'll be importing the apply model tab. So apply model is basically used to import the test data and then find the performance of the test data. So form the connection between these two, and so this connection is for my training data, and then the second connection which goes directly from the split data to my apply model is used for testing data. After that, to evaluate the performance of this model, I'll be importing the performance tab. So I'll be importing the performance classification tab for my final prediction of accuracies and all that. So here you can just see I'll be trying to find out the accuracy of the model. Right, so this is my final connection which is done, and then if I run this model, right, so my connection is right, so my connection is completed. So now we'll be running our model. So right, yeah. So this is my final prediction. As you can see, these are the original feature values, and these are my predicted values from the model. And to find out the accuracy, we can just see that our accuracy has been pretty good. It's 95.35%. So it means that the model has actually done a pretty good job in predicting our final results. Thank you.